Parlez-vous français? Oui, 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 oui. So, a French teacher in Denver, Colorado was fired because she was getting the students to kiss each other with these little skits. And if you didn't kiss, you got a 0. If you refused to take part, you got a 0. And these skits went on bi-weekly. That means twice a week. So it really affected your grade. But apparently the students started complaining to other teachers, letting them know what was going on. That she had 2 skits. One was called The Boring Kiss, and one was called The Neighbors See Everything. And apparently the Boring Kiss had 3 kisses, and it would always be girls. It would never be guys. She would never bring up the guys. It was just always 2 girls up there, and they would have to kiss, and if they didn't, they got a 0. And okay, come to find out, this teacher put up a rule in her class that says the answer is always yes. These are the people teaching your kids. The answer is always yes. Do what thou wilt instead of self-denial. Self-denial is what creates a better life and makes you stronger. Do what thou wilt. The answer is always yes. Leads to a horrible life. Okay, so apparently this gal would also tell all the students about her past. She would say stuff like, oh, I was touched when I was a kid. Oh, I've had suicidal thoughts. Oh, I have trouble having kids. And apparently this gal is also a lesbian, and she's LGBT plus. So you have this teacher in here teaching your kids, trying to get them to kiss each other same sex. Okay, this is what happens when you take religion, you take Christianity, you pull it out of the schools. The people that teach that stuff, they pull it out and they raise up all this degeneracy. Then people wonder, like, why is society so jacked up? Well, just look at the people teaching the kids. Look at the people who are in charge. It's all these, the answer is always yes type people. It's always do what thou wilt type people. Look at other societies where they're more strict. The streets are cleaner. The streets are safer. People are more happy. But apparently we need to just let people do whatever they want. According to what's going on in this country. Anyway, let me know what you guys think about this crazy story about this teacher in Denver, Colorado, who had these little skits going where 2 girls would always have to kiss. And if they didn't, they would get a 0 grade. Thankfully, she got fired. She won't be doing that to any more kids. And if this one's doing it, who knows what's going on around the rest of the country.